Hello everybody and welcome to episode 11 about the GooseV2. This video is about the Cowlings. I've already built them and also I applied the covering, which look really nice. The cowl is built up from a plywood laser cut frame, and then the nose is from balsa blocks and the sheeting is 1.5mm balsa. The cowl fits to the nacelle, is fixed with magnets and locator pins. The locator pins provide a friction fit and the magnets hold it in place. Here's the other cowl. I fixed it to the nacelle and you can see it's a pretty snug fit, so there's no chance of it coming loose. You see, it takes a bit of effort to get it loose. This is the other cowl. I already have the dummy radial installed. The dummy radial fits very nice, but you have to make some cutouts in the nose and the most forward former to make it fit snug. The dummy radial is a Park Flyer Plastics 5 3/4 inch 9-cylinder vacuum formed radial front. I just touched it up with some paint and I made rocker arm tubes from cotton swabs with chrome tape. What is really important is when you start to glue the dummy radial in the cowl, that you do this with the cowling attached to the nacelle, and then make sure that the motor is clear from the dummy radial. So that's it for now. Let's have a look at the design in Rhino, and after that the time-lapse build videos. Enjoy! So this is the complete goose in Rhino. For this episode I just want to focus on the cowlings only. These are the cowlings. Let's check another Rhino file to show you how it's built. So building the cowl starts with the back plate. This is this former, and on top of that the rest of the formers will be glued on using regular wood glue. When you get to this stage, the 1.5mm sheeting is applied with the grain direction as I'm pointing out here with my cursor. Then the balsa cowl nose parts will be glued on. Just use regular wood glue to glue these ones, and then only on the inside, so it's still easy to sand them to shape. And it will look like this, but before sanding, the plywood ring needs to be glued in place. So this is the complete cowl. Let's have a look at the time-lapse videos.